What is up, guys? Today we have a review of OxygenOS 14 on OnePlus Pad Go. So it's actually OxygenOS especially for tablets, and here I have the nice and cheap tablet, and let's see how it works here. What are the features and what are the new update bring to us? So actually here you have only the October 2025 security patch is installed here, still OxygenOS 14, not 15. And let's check it out. Here was actually the full version of it. There is a full name. It's 14.0.0.2402. And let's see what we have here. So this is device called Pad Go, OnePlus Pad Go here. Also you have 8000 mAh battery. Here is a characteristic of processor, is Helio G99. Storage, cameras you can see here. It's based on Android 14, and RAM expansion, that's actually quite nice option to have, so you can expand almost double your RAM. Actually not almost, you double your RAM from 8 to 16. And in the settings you see what we have is, let's go one by one. So Wi-Fi assistant here, you can auto connect to the best Wi-Fi, you can auto switch to mobile network. Although more settings available, so some additional things you can do with Wi-Fi, mobile network here, so the SIM card, and even it's not installed now, still when you install it you can do the calls even from your tablet. That's also quite nice. The Bluetooth is nothing special. Connection and share, so you have multi-screen connection where you can connect your tablet to your OnePlus phone. Print, quick connect, it's all very regular settings. Wallpaper and style, so you have many options to customize your firmware here. You have quick settings. Let's see how they look like. Here are the quick settings, actually quite many of them. You can customize them, change the brightness, change the sound loudness, and have quick access to some connection others. So actually you can customize, make it square, make it window. I like default one, just circle, but up to you to how to customize it. Display size, standard, small. What's the difference? Okay, I think I like standard one. Home screen and lock screen, so many settings such as home screen standard. You can have the drawer, you can disable it, lock layout, icon autofill, double tap to lock. Actually double tap to empty space to lock the screen, quite nice to have. Swipe down home screen notification drawer or shelf. Let's try the shelf. Confirm. Okay. Agree and continue. How's the shelf look like? Okay, actually it's for phone. Are they kidding me? Why they put it here? So let's disable it. It actually doesn't look that good, so disable the shelf, but they can disable it and remove this option at all. Double tap to wake or turn off screen, double tap to lock. Okay, let's try. Okay, works well. Alright, let's see what else we have here. Clock style. Okay, like classic one, manage apps, display and brightness, so dark mode, light modes, you can schedule it, you can put auto brightness, you can control the brightness, screen color mode available, so you have two options, vivid or natural. Also you can do it by yourself to optimize for your preferences. Actually quite hard to make it, put it back. Okay, I put it back. Natural tone display, automatically adjust the screen color temperature based on ambient light conditions, so just make it always yellow, don't really use it. Auto rotate, high screen refresh, auto screen off, so auto rotate turn off for now, auto screen off in 1 minute. Sound, so as you see you have many like sound options available here, and the sound is quite well on this tablet. It's 4 speakers, so Dolby Atmos supported by all the OnePlus devices. Notification status bar, nothing special. App, security, location. Let's move on directly to battery. So here you see how long it can last. You can also activate the smart charging, power saving mode, and more settings available, like optimized battery use, high performance mode, sleep standby optimization. That actually help you to reduce the battery consumption. Special features, actually quite many special features available. Taskbar, let's go one by one. So actually this taskbar, especially for tablet, and working quite well. This similar to iPad, what you can do, you have many things here, recent apps and suggested apps, recent files. Okay, I don't need recent files. App library, show taskbar at the bottom when in apps. Okay, let's see more. Split view. So if you swipe 2 times, the split view will be open. So let's try it out. For instance, open Chrome app, swipe and use. Okay, as you see, it's actually YouTube is loading and working quite well. Actually, that's really nice to have it this way. You can also adjust the proportion here, so that's I think the minimum one. Then you just close it, and it's working really well actually, and without any issues. Let's go to floating window. So what you can do is to actually make any app as a floating window. For instance, Chrome here, then it's here as a phone app. You can also enlarge it like this. You can do whatever you want here, like open messages and others. Okay, use without account. And here it will be always in floating mode, then you can just close it. And as you see, working quite well. The operation system as well. Smart sidebar. I just disable it, but you can enable the smart sidebar. Then, okay. Then you will have some additional options here that you can fastly launch them. Actually, also all the apps are available here on the special button. So I didn't really use it, so I just remove it. Digital well-being, additional settings. So here are just very regular settings for all the devices. And as you see, in general, it's working well. So here you have Google Discovery, you have all the stock apps from Google company, like a phone app, messages, etc. Everything also can be customized, that I really like in OnePlus and OxygenOS especially. Also working fast, well, and if you're just on previous version, just update it. If you're interested in general OnePlus devices, so as you see, especially for OnePlus Pad Go, I can recommend to buy it and use it with OxygenOS 14. Alright, basically that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, put the thumbs up and see you next time.